2019, and we are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania at the service plaza, just doing a pre-trip, getting ready to roll up towards Oneonta. Thanks for being here. Okay, we are rolling out of the service area here. Still heading north here on the Pennsylvania Turnpike extension. And it is a foggy morning. Though it has, the fog has definitely lifted a lot since when I first woke up an hour ago. Yeah, visibility's pretty good. Probably got at least a half a mile, so we're good. Yeah, we should be in Oneonta by 11:30. If there's nobody in the dock, they'll probably get me right in and out. Should be out of there by 12. And be in our second stop, Clay, between 2:30 and 3. They'd probably have us out by 4. I'm gonna say I should get home about 7 p.m. tonight. But then again, this is trucking, so we'll see what happens. We have just arrived at our delivery. It's 20 minutes after 11. Hopefully we get in and out of here real quick, which are usually pretty good here, so. And I don't see anybody in the dock. Alright guys, we just got done making our delivery here in Oneonta. Just checking the pins out here. Making sure my tandems are locked on to the trailer. He already came out and resealed this. Okay, let's get on up to Clay and make our delivery and then head for home. Right now it's showing I'm going to be at Clay at 2:10. So our window in Clay is 2 to 4, so we're good that way. Probably it says 2:10, but probably be more like 2:20. As long as we don't hit any backups or big delays or anything like that, we should be in pretty good shape. Looks like it's trying to clear off and the sun come out a little bit, and that'd be nice. All right, guys, we will talk to you in a little while. Okay guys, we made it. We're about 2 blocks from the delivery, and it is 9 minutes after 2, so we did a good job getting up here. I'm gonna pull up over here and we will go get checked in. Don't see any other trucks here, so probably should be able to get right in. Wait and see what happens. Okay guys, we are empty here at Clay. The week is over. Now we just gotta head on home, and we'll leave out late Sunday afternoon. Should be home around 6, 7 o'clock tonight. All right guys, we are rolling out of the stop here. So, let's see. It says I got 161 miles to home, which is right if I go down 81 to 88 and back up to my house, which is definitely the fastest way. The only problem right now is 81 south, just south of Syracuse, and there's really no good way around it. There's a big backup for construction. So I think what I'm going to do is take the New York State Thruway to the east over towards Utica, and then cut down the 2-lane roads to Oneonta, and then out to my house. It's a little bit longer, but probably take about the same time considering that big backup. I was hoping it would get cleared up by now, but I thought they'd pick up the construction, but it's only 3:45 to 4, so they probably will, but not soon enough for me to go down through there. So we're gonna go New York State Thruway over to exit. So I don't know what the exit number is. I just know where I gotta get off. I think it's gonna be Route 28, I believe. And cruise on down the 2-lane roads down towards, well, kind of skirt the Cooperstown, New York area, and then down towards Oneonta, and then out to my house. Okay, that's going to do it for this week. Thanks for joining me here on the Trucker John channel. I appreciate you being here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and think about subscribing if you haven't already. I make a video just about every weekday, sometimes on the weekend. So come back and see me this Sunday. And hope everybody has a good weekend. Talk to you later. Take care now.